What is a nation? Meaning of nation. Nation David. Nation explained. Definition of nation. What is nation? The epithet of formally David International as a political French philosopher and historian Ernest Reiner published his seminal essay titled What is a Nation? In this essay, Lilly's definition the nation as a large its solidarity, constituted by the feeling of scripts that one made in the past and of those that one is spared of to make the future. It explains why Ranelagh believes that is we are to image the nation as a good and worthy of continuous ascribe. We must really tuning in because furthering their efforts to obtain national until either in the name of civic or ethnic nationalism in involved etc. of violence and subsequent forgetting based on intellectual component of a national beloved by Reiner schools have come up with a more formal definition of a national, namely community of people formed on the basis of combination of a shared that is culture, image as a put intended limit on suffrage as when can see therefore the elements in this definition first. The national in image nationally well and never embrace particular members yet match at level and communication second the national in image limited because has a vanity sometimes electric barons below which other nations lie that a national image is suffrage because a component on nation it life somber and when elements and revolution with destroying that legitimacy of the divine ordinate heritage dynastic realm. Finally, the nation and image as on community because realm of actually quality and explore that my friend at the nation of conference as a deep horizontal comradeship. Syntax in English. Syntax is the law of language that determines the word after a basic sentence culture within the different language. Each language has a specific syntax that tells the speaker and the first to help them make sense of what's being said. This is a guidance we use when speaking or writing so sentence when understandable and correct. Be wary of confusing syntax of semantic with a destination that's from the backbone of sentence construction. So let's break the definition down. Syntax and use maintaination is the order of the word in a sentence. Destination is specific word choice meant on express content, meaning sentence is meaning covered by the particular word used. Well, be pushing a syntax of this video. In English language, there is a word order that set its tone of formats, types of sentence. Of course, they are always expectation, but Sentence will follow an CVO word order, subject, verb, or object, as in the boys look outside of the window. In this example sentence, we have the subject, the boy, verb, look, and they, object, outside. This image in of a English grammar syntax used by linguistics to plot the structure of sentence. You may not observe encounter on syntax tree, but knowing how to draw on its further use and will help you understand sentence structure. In the card, you can see that sentence is broken down into its parts: verb, nouns, articles, and preposition. What's being said? Let's have a recap. 1. Syntax is the sentence structure. 2. Designation of the causing of word to relate a certain meaning. 3. Semantic is the meaning of the expression from the words used. 4. Syntax trees are the next camping tool to chart a sentence structure and make sense of the word and function in the world of English. Thank you for joining the syntax tutorial. If you found the video to be helpful, check out the rest of the channel for edition help. See you next time. What is a coronavirus? For almost the Dutch sentence cuts the short on daily new virus talk. China talents mountains and most insulated caves. They finally found in the here in the beds of Saitu Cave. The virus in question was coronavirus that caused an epidemic of a acute respiratory syndrome and Ars 2003. Coronavirus 14 speak and look and crow of corona in Latin. There are hundreds of known coronavirus. 7 of them infect humans and can use disease. Of the 7 human coronavirus, 4 caused a cold meal, likely to garnish inflammation of the nose and throat, 2 infect the lungs and cause mass and severe illness, the 7 which cause COVID-19. Factor of age and speech easily but can adversely impact the lungs when an infected person coughs. Droplets containing the virus spray out the virus and infect a person when the droplets neither their nose or mouth. Coronavirus transmit but in closed space. This seasonal variation matter more for established virus, but because one of immune to new virus, I have so many potential hosts that it doesn't need ideal condition to spread, and the body protein speak about the host called covers with them, enabling the virus hide the most killing machinery to replicate its own genus. make you sick, but mutation and make a virus less recognizable to your immune system and therefore more difficult to fight off. Still, we don't know how long our bodies remain immune to different coronavirus. There never been approved treatment or vaccine for a coronavirus. We have focused on trying to once the cold cloud and talk sentence. As we continue to encroach on other animal habitats, some sentence say a new coronavirus jumping to humans is inevitable, but we investigate that you know it doesn't have to be devastating.